Kawachako eni jodito e sekta ma thieth obagoro mokinyi makawuono kod riwruok mar lakteche ma KMPDU ewi ng'anyo mar lakteche modonjo odiechienge mar 5 kawuono. Jotend migao mar thieth Susan Kumicha noloso kod jofwambo bang' romo makamano kama ne oyango ni giikore mar keto tim gigo mane giwinjore timo kaka chako keto jopuonjre osiptende ma yudo tiegruok chakre tarik 1 dwe manyien.
I'm happy to report that as a ministry we have made very good progress. And one of the issues was on the internship program. So we have agreed that they are going to participate in the review of the internship policy that is currently ongoing, chaired by the DG, Director General, that they are going to participate fully so that then we review that internship policy, we ensure that it is aligned to universal health coverage and it addresses all the emerging issues that we have had. But most importantly, we have also briefed the union and agreed that we have now received a confirmation from Treasury, and beginning 1st of April, which is in 2 weeks' time, we are going to begin posting of all the interns. The other matter that we have discussed and reached an agreement is on the CBA, collective bargaining agreement, that lapsed. So we have agreed that the ministry will proceed with the negotiations, because the status as it is that they had written to the ministry and the ministry had written back to them with a counter offer. But both parties were yet to sit at the table, so we have agreed that within this week, the ministry then calls for a meeting so that then matters that are in the CBA can be addressed and negotiations begin. We have also discussed and agreed on the arrears pending for registrars, that the Principal Secretary in charge of medical services, Mr. Kimtai, is going to take lead and have a discussion with the universities so that a reconciliation is done of all the outstanding arrears. And equally, we have received commitment from Treasury on availability of resources. So once that reconciliation has been done, the Principal Secretary is going to ensure that all the outstanding arrears are paid so that they do not affect the next examination scheduled between September and October.